Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our 6 p.m. update, guys. Wow, I got some really great breaking news. It involves Coinbase. I think you guys need to watch this to the end. We're going to get into it. We're going to talk about Doge price. We're going to talk about some resistance levels. We're going to talk about where I see Doge going over the weekend. Remember, Monday to Friday, things tend to pump, and the weekends things tend to dump. I mean, that's not been true recently. You know, we've seen a lot of green days on the weekends, and that's been really fantastic, really interesting. So, you know, it's kind of a reversal in the trend. So let's jump into the content. We're going to talk about the B world. You know, I'm still pretty pumped out, from Elon Musk and Dorsey and the whole team over there, because we were expecting maybe a little bit mediocre, maybe even, but it was really positive, and we saw the markets respond to that. So that's really good news, guys. So once again, don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is only me offering my opinion. So remember, you do your own risk management. And remember, set up two-factor authentication on all the exchanges that you have your crypto on, because we don't want you to lose your crypto, okay? Because your crypto is not my crypto. And remember, watch out for nasty scammers in the contents. And remember, once we hit 50,000 subscribers, we're giving away one Ethereum, guys. So that's really fantastic. Hopefully you guys are going to be lucky winners. So if you want to win it, you got to be in it, and the way you can be in it is very simple. Smash a like, subscribe, and remember, members have twice as much chance to get the lucky Ethereum. All right, and remember, guys, we've got tons of content. Right now we're at 44,300 subscribers. Yeah, let's get it up to 50. And go back and watch some of this content. Guys, you guys need to, Elon says, Dogecoin, future cryptocurrency of the earth. Guys, you go back and watch this. Please go back and watch and comment. This is really a good video, a great video. And so let's dive into the content. Remember, watch these videos to the end. You've got to do that. Don't drop off. Don't fall asleep. You have to watch to the end. That's really important. So let's jump into it. So let's take a look at the markets right now. The broader markets, you can see that in Asia right now, the markets are up, even despite the the COVID Delta variant outbreak. The markets are up, so that's pretty bullish. Let's look at the pre-markets, and that's going to tell us where the Dow is going to go. And if the Dow is up, most likely we can see that the Bitcoin is going to be up, and that'll take all the cryptos up. So let's jump into where Bitcoin is right now. Let me get my face out of the way. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is trading around about 32,278, and this is a Binance from Binance Exchange on one-day time frame. And remember, the other like CoinMarketCap and stuff like that, they take an aggregate of all the exchanges, so there may be some fluctuation, a little bit. So don't panic if you see some of the prices on the charts different than in the end when we go through the crypto prices. So, right now what we're seeing that Bitcoin is breaking past that 20-day moving average. Let's blow that up for you and make it a little bit bigger. Let's blow it up. So, and that's really good news. Right now, Bitcoin has fallen back a little bit from this morning's high. We hit a high of 33,166, and we've dropped back down a little bit. So we've kind of gone back just a touch. Let me zoom that up some more. We've dropped down just a touch from where we were this morning. We're down about 0.28%, and we're trading, as I said, around about 33,249. So far so good. I believe that with the Dow and the futures in the future markets looking pretty positive. I think the Dow and the S&P should be very positive when the markets open in the U.S., and that should hopefully take Bitcoin back to 33,000 or beyond. Let's hopefully there's some positive news comes out. I know a lot of people are talking about regulation, this and that. So let's hopefully that the regulation narrative and FUD cycle doesn't ruin our uptrend. Like I said, we still need to break past the 50-day moving average on the one-day time frame. If we can do that, that's going to send Bitcoin past our 33,500 resistance range, and that will signal a positive breakout to the upside. So hopefully that's going to happen. You can still see that our RSI is still pretty strong here, and this is indicating that we should have a breakout pretty soon. Once again, we got the 50-day moving average on the one-day time frame. We really need to break past that, guys. We really need to break past it. So let's jump into the Doge chart right now. So Doge is still looking pretty positive. We have broken past this descending triangle. We're staying above it right now, and let me just zoom that up for you, make it a little bit more easier for you to see. So we've broken out past that descending triangle, so that's really bullish news, really positive news, and that was really because a lot of people were looking forward to the B world, and we got a lot of positive information out of that, and there's really a good positive vibe. And we heard that Elon, talked about Bitcoin transaction fees and speed, and he kind of talked about, there's an alternative right now, because if you want to get the high transaction speed on Bitcoin, you need to have a layer 2, right, like Lightning or Segwit or something like that. But he kind of alluded that there's a coin out there, a cryptocurrency out there that can already do that. The transaction fees are low, and on the base layer, Doge is very fast. And it's also affordable, right? A lot of people can't go in and buy Bitcoin, and they'd have to be buying, fractions of Bitcoin. And when you're buying fractions of Bitcoin for the average Joe, it's really hard to comprehend. And when you're talking about 0.001 or 0.0001 to buy a coffee, it becomes really a mental accounting issue. Even for me today, calculating on satoshis, it's complicated. Where Dogecoin is easy to understand. Right now we're trading at around about 18.9. Sorry, my eyes are no good today. 18.9. Remember, this is the 9th day of lockdown, and it's been extended another 14 days. So it's the 9th day plus the 2nd day of the extension. So we're talking 21 days, and now we're kind of in the 9th day of the lockdown. So I got cabin fever. All right, you can see if you look what's behind me, it's not what you think it is, guys. I know what you guys are thinking out there. It ain't what you're thinking, so that's too bad, right? So yeah, we're breaking out past this descending triangle, and we have on the 4-hour chart, you can see that we have absolutely broken past the 20-day and 50-day moving average, and right now we're just gingerly below the 19.3 support level, and I think we're going to blow past that tonight in the U.S. because I think when the markets open, as I said, the Dow and the S&P, they're looking pretty positive. The Dow futures are looking pretty positive on the pre-market. So I think overall we're probably going to have a pretty strong day on the when the U.S. markets open, and that should take Dogecoin up, and also Bitcoin should go up as well. So that's really exciting. I'm excited. I'm so excited, even though I got cabin fever. I mean, being on lockdown really is not good, guys. And the lockdown here is pretty strict. Like, if you walk on the street, you're not even allowed to go out. Even if you're wearing a mask, you cannot go out. You'll get hit with about a $200 fine. And every 1 kilometer or so, they've got a barricade, a police barricade, so you can't go anywhere. So it's really it's like lockdown on steroids. So it's not very good. And when you got a 4-year-old, my 4-year-old's kind of going a little bit nuts, got a little bit of cabin fever. But how do you explain to a 4-year-old that there's a virus out there that could potentially kill you, and you can't go out? You can't go out. So it's a battle, guys. So if you guys, whoever's endured lockdown before, I now get it. I sympathize. Peace. All right, guys. So let's jump into some of the news. All right, let's jump into some of the news. So the other big piece of news right now is Bitcoin traders split on 40K chances as altcoins eye potential 80 to 150% gains. So a lot of the traders now are saying that we could see a huge surge to $40,000 Bitcoin really soon, and if that happens, that could take all the altcoins up by 80 to 150%. Remember, Dogecoin is an altcoin, so we could see substantial gains. So if we go up 100% where we are from now, let's say we're at close to 20 cents, that could take us up to 40 cents easy, guys. So I think I think August is going to be the time when the bull is let out of the cage, and the bull is going to run wild over the markets, and we're going to see huge upside, guys. So I'm pretty excited about that. And you can see that Bitcoin has circled 32,000 on Thursday after excitement over the fresh comments by Elon Musk. And right now, Bitcoin right now is trading well above that, and you can see here that Bitcoin is at 31,852, and we should be back to 32,000, 33,000 pretty soon, guys. I'm pretty confident of that. And so we're seeing that I think when the markets open in the U.S., we're going to definitely see that there's going to be some more resurgence. I think there's going to be some more positive articles coming out, and that's going to get the retailers more excited, the retail investors more excited, and get them to jump back in. So BTC bulls regroup at 32,000. Data from Coinbase Markets Pro and TradingView show that BTC USD ranging between 31.5 and 32,000 overnight on Wednesday hours after Musk joined others in praising Bitcoin during the conference panel. And it was really, the B world was really a good positive pump for Bitcoin and crypto in general, because he also talked about crypto. And he alluded that he has Ethereum and he has Dogecoin. And the other thing that he was really talking about was that, he said that Tesla will be accepting Dogecoin once he's done a little bit more due diligence, and he confirms that the miners have using 50% renewable energy, and we all know they are. So I think, before July 26, when their earnings reports come out, Tesla's absolutely Tesla and Elon Musk, sorry, not Doge, Elon Musk will have to say that they're going to accept Bitcoin again. So, I think that's going to happen soon. Today, right now, is the 22nd. So that puts us, a couple more days, 4 more days to go, and I think we could hear that pretty soon. So Coinbase, reports Musk's words came over broadly positive, and it was positive and less critical. Many people thought that, Elon was going to be, some people call it critical. I think it's more cynical, right? Elon can be kind of nerdy, cynical kind of guy, and I think a lot of people thought that he was going to come off really critical, and he didn't. And it turned out that in this turn it was good, and there was a surge that topped Bitcoin went over 32,800. So I think overall it's good. We've dropped back thereafter. Familiar resistance kicked in, and we went back down. So we're back down again, but nevertheless, we're up, and that sustains, and it's enough to sustain the market. And granted, it's a higher low. We're now trading at a higher low, and I think we found a temporary bottom. And I think we're going to move up to 40K. I mean, yesterday before the B World, I bought some more Bitcoin. So I'm happy because I'm currently up. So I'm totally happy about that. So I think it's really good news. So let's jump into the huge killer news. And I think this is huge for Dogecoin, huge for Dogecoin community. Dogecoin becomes the 7th cryptocurrency accepted on Coinbase commerce. So this is really cool. So Coinbase Commerce, the e-commerce arm of the United States-based crypto exchange, has added support for Doge payments. So that is really cool, because before you only had Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, along with stable coins, DAI, USD coin. So right now, Doge has been added to that, and that's really good, because it means that Dogecoin becomes the 7th cryptocurrency for merchants to accept payments on Coinbase e-commerce platform, and also users can take their Doge that's on Coinbase and easily convert it to USDC without leaving the e-commerce portal. So that's really good. That just goes to show that the more utility, more adaptability, more use cases for Doge. And Coinbase is not a small puppy. Coinbase is not a lightweight. It's a big player, and I really think this is really going to help. Not a lot of YouTubers are covering this, but I think this is really big mainstream adoption, and it's like a domino effect. We got Coinbase. Robinhood's going to have to lickety-split, get their wallets happening, so before their IPO. So we're just seeing that, this is just the beginning, and a lot of catalysts are happening for Dogecoin. We also had, Elon talking about, the currency of the earth, taking a mining node up to outer space to use it as a heater. And as you guys know, mining equipment for crypto mining equipment gives off a huge amount of heat. This is one of the biggest headaches with miners. That gives off a huge amount of heat, and you've got to have a lot of air movement, and even in some conditions, the cooler that you can keep the miners, the more efficient they are. So if you could take one of these nodes and mine Doge or Ethereum up in space, so you're getting a two-factor bang for your buck. You're getting heat, and you're mining crypto as well. So this is really interesting news, really fantastic news. I'm so pumped. I'm so bullish about Dogecoin. Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So you guys are really psyched right now. So guys, This is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signal saying I love you guys, and don't forget to smash the likes, smash the likes, guys. Become members. What are you waiting for? Become members and subscribe as always. And I'll see you in the next one. But before we go, guys, don't forget to check out my links. Check out the links, guys. Support the channel. Go to the description of the video. You can see all my links here. You can support the channel with Patreon. You can buy the channel a coffee. Go to the description right now. If you're out there, if you're watching, support the channel. Buy the channel a coffee. Okay, all of that goes to charity. Don't forget, all of it goes to charity, guys. Check out the NFT collection. We got a huge, beautiful NFT collection. You may want to check that out. So check it out. And also, yeah, free charting tool. Who wouldn't want a free charting tool? You guys have seen my free charting tool. This is a free charting tool. You know, you've got a news feed, you got this and that. So check out the free charting tool. I know you want it. And also, right now, Bybit is giving away $1,000. So if you go out there, check the link, sign up, and deposit, you can get some cash back. All right, guys. So once again, be blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys to death. Woohoo! This is the OG in the house from Crypto Daily Trade Signals. I'll see you at 9 o'clock with a huge update, another huge update. So once again, wow, this is fantastic news. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Love, peace. God bless all of you. See you in the next one. Spreading the positive vibe. Don't forget hashtag Doge. Spreading love. Hey, and one last thing, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Right now we're over 1,000. We've got 44,000 subscribers. Let's get this at least to 10,000. So everybody who's watching this, take the time, go to Twitter, and follow me right now. Right this second. Do it now. All right, guys. See you in the next one.